Report writing in research methodology. Meaning and purpose. Report writing is an important final step in research methodology. After collecting and analyzing data, the researcher prepares a written document called a report. This report presents the entire research work in an organized and systematic form. Meaning of report writing. Report writing means presenting the research study in a clear, structured, and written form. It includes all the details of the research such as research problem, objectives, methodology, data collection, data analysis, findings and conclusions. In simple words, report writing is the process of communicating the results of research in a written format. Purpose of report writing. The main purposes of report writing are 1. To communicate findings. It helps the researcher to share the results of the study with others in a clear way. 2. To record research work. A report keeps a written record of all research activities for future reference. 3. To provide evidence. It provides proof of what has been done in the research study. 4. To help decision making. Research reports are used by organizations, government, and managers for decision making. 5. To share knowledge. It helps in spreading knowledge and information to students, researchers, and the public. 6. To maintain systematic presentation. It organizes all research work in a proper and structured format. Conclusion. Report writing is a very important part of research methodology. It helps in presenting research findings in a clear and organized way. It also helps in communication, decision-making, and documentation of research work. Types of research reports. A research report is a written document that presents the findings of a research study in an organized form. In research methodology, reports can be written in different types depending on the purpose, audience, and level of detail required. 1. Technical report. A technical report is a detailed and formal type of research report. It is written for experts, researchers, and professionals. Features. Uses technical language. Includes detailed methodology and analysis. Contains statistical data, tables, and figures. Follows a strict format. Purpose. To provide complete scientific details of the research study. Example. A research report on impact of AI on business performance written for academic researchers. 2. Popular report, non-technical report. A popular report is written in simple language so that common people can understand it easily. Features. Simple and easy language. Less technical details. Focus on main findings only. Uses charts and visuals. Purpose. To communicate research findings to the general public. Example. A newspaper report on effects of pollution on health. 3. Interim report. An interim report is a temporary report prepared during the research process before the final report. Features. Prepared at an early stage of research. Shows progress of the study. May include partial findings. Purpose. To inform about the current status of research work. Example. A progress report submitted after 3 months of a 1-year research project. 4. Summary report. A summary report gives a short version of the complete research report. Features. Very brief and concise. Highlights only main points. No detailed explanation. Purpose. To provide a quick overview of the research study. Example. Executive summary given to company management. 5. Thesis or dissertation report. This is a long and detailed research report submitted by students for academic degrees like MA, M.Com, M.Phil, or PhD. Features. Very detailed and structured. Includes literature review, methodology, analysis, and findings. Follows university guidelines. Purpose. To fulfill academic requirements and contribute to knowledge. Example. A PhD thesis on digital marketing strategies in India. 6. Research paper/journal article. A research paper is a short report published in academic journals. Features. Short and precise. Focus on one specific topic. Peer-reviewed. Purpose. To share research findings with the academic community. Example. A journal article on customer satisfaction in online shopping. Conclusion. There are different types of research reports used in research methodology depending on the purpose and audience. Technical reports are detailed and scientific, while popular reports are simple and general. Interim, summary, thesis, and journal reports serve different academic and professional needs. Each type of report plays an important role in communicating research findings effectively. Report sections in research methodology. Abstract, introduction, methodology, data analysis, conclusion. A research report is a structured document that presents the entire research work in an organized way. It is divided into different sections so that the reader can easily understand the study step by step. The main sections of a research report are abstract, introduction, methodology, data analysis, and conclusion. 1. Abstract. The abstract is a short summary of the entire research report. It gives a brief overview of the research study. Content. Research problem. Objectives. Method used. Key findings. Conclusion. Purpose. To give a quick idea of the whole study. To help readers decide whether to read the full report. Features. Very short, usually 150 to 300 words. Written at the beginning but prepared at the end. Simple and clear. 2. Introduction. The introduction explains the background of the research study. It introduces the topic and explains why the study is important. Content. Background of the study. Research problem. Objectives of the study. Scope of the study. Importance of the research. Purpose. To help readers understand the research topic. To explain the need for the study. Features. Gives basic information. Builds interest in the topic. Sets the direction of the research. 3. Methodology. Methodology explains how the research was conducted. It describes the methods used to collect and analyze data. Content. Research design, descriptive, exploratory, etc. Sources of data, primary and secondary. Data collection methods, survey, interview, questionnaire. Sample size and sampling method. Tools used for analysis. Purpose. To show how the research was done. To ensure reliability and validity of the study. Features. Detailed and systematic. Helps others repeat the study. Shows scientific approach. 4. Data analysis. Data analysis is the section where collected data is studied and interpreted. It means organizing and examining data to find meaningful results. Content. Tables and charts. Statistical tools, mean, percentage, graphs, etc. Interpretation of data. Findings from data. Purpose. To convert raw data into useful information. To find patterns and relationships. To support or reject hypotheses. Features. Based on facts and figures. Uses both descriptive and inferential tools. Helps in decision making. 5. Conclusion. The conclusion is the final part of the research report. It summarizes the main findings of the study. Content. Summary of results. Final outcomes of research. Answers to research questions. Suggestions or recommendations. Purpose. To give final understanding of the study. To highlight key findings. To close the research report. Features. Short and clear. Based on analysis results. No new information is added. Conclusion, overall. A research report is divided into different sections to make it clear and systematic. The abstract gives a summary, the introduction explains the topic, the methodology describes how research is done, the data analysis shows findings, and the conclusion gives final results. Together, these sections make the research report complete, meaningful, and easy to understand. Writing bibliography, APA and MLA format. Research methodology, short note in simple English. A bibliography is an important part of a research report. It is a list of all the sources used in the research work. These sources may include books, journals, websites, articles, and reports. Bibliography helps to give credit to the original authors and avoid plagiarism. In research methodology, two commonly used citation styles are APA format and MLA format. 1. APA format, American Psychological Association. APA style is widely used in social sciences like education, psychology, and business. Features. Author's last name is written first. Year of publication is given in brackets. Title of book/article is written in italics. Reference list is arranged alphabetically. Example. Kumar, R. 2020. Research methodology. New Delhi, Sage Publications. Use. Used in social science research and academic papers. 2. MLA format, Modern Language Association. MLA style is mainly used in humanities like literature, language, and arts. Features. Author's full name is written. Title of book is in italics. No year is placed after the author in the same way as APA. Works cited page is arranged alphabetically. Example. Kumar, Art Research Methodology. Sage Publications, 2020. Use. Used in literature, arts, and language studies. Conclusion. Bibliography is very important in research methodology because it shows the sources of information used in the study. APA and MLA are two common formats used for writing references. APA is mainly used in social sciences, while MLA is used in humanities. Both formats help maintain academic honesty and proper documentation.